Hey everybody, Brock Lally from Tim Lally Chevrolet here with Nick from Miles Farmers Market. We're just going over our finished collaborative project here. This nice, beautiful John Deere tractor from many decades ago. Needed some tender loving care and looks pretty great. So we put it out to all of you guys to name this pretty puppy. And we do have a winner. But before we get to that winner, I did want to give a shout out to the Tim Lally Chevrolet Collision Department, to Phil Voitush in the Collision Department. Great job, Phil. Great job, Kim, for making this, coordinating this, making this all happen. Jeff Novak as well. And Miles Farmers Market especially. Great relationship. We're right down the street from each other. They buy and service their vehicles from us, and we routinely get some lunches here for the rest of the staff. So it's a great back and forth relationship we have. But without further ado, Nick, you got anything you want to add?
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone from Facebook for participating with selecting the name. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's about it. So
okay. Well, without further ado, I think it's time to reveal the winning name. And I also brought a Tim Lally water for the christening. So without further ado, I dub you Miles Mean Green Tractor Machine. And I'm going to drink the rest of this. So thanks, everybody. Have a good one.